Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And because of our request na mag-feature na tayo ng desserts, hindi naman talaga ako magaling gumawa ng desserts. So, I'll just share how I create dessert hacks. So, basically, I buy this Maya chocolate fudge brownie, pero I don't bake it. Because our eggs are small, parang if we read the packaging, it says 1 egg. Anyway, hindi ko naman talaga siya binibake. So, basically, I grill it in the pan. Tapos I top it with some ice cream. So anyway, I'll show you later. So basta, this is like our pan-baked brownie, yung tawag ko, top with ice cream. So here's eggs. It calls for 1 piece of egg, but our egg's quite small. And then, sinabi dito sa packaging, 4 tablespoons of softened butter. So if you look at the butter, normally may ibang butters, may measurements. So pretty much, isang ganitong butter is about 8 tablespoons. So if we're asking for 4, so basically, if ina-ask siya for 4 and it's 8, so that's what makes it. Diba? So basically, you would want to buy unsalted butter para it's easier to whip. So we're just gonna mix it together before we mix the brownie. There. And then it calls for 1 tablespoon of water. Measure ko lang. There. And then we're just gonna whip it together. So, para lang mag-soften yung butter. So, we want to make sure it's mixed, no? Wala kaming mixture. I'm just mixing it until it gets well blended before we want to add the brownie mix. Ayan, no? If you notice, medyo kumukonti na yung ating butter. So, we're just gonna mix it up until it's smooth. Mix all the liquid. So, when you say softened butter, hindi siya melted butter. So, it's something meaning you can whip lang. So, that's not how we want it. Ewan ko, pero pwede mo rin tawagan dito, brownie cookie. Pwede, because it's gonna be a little bit crispy. You can do that also. So, medyo lang to, we-whip pa lang natin ito together. Maybe because nga yung butter na kinuha ko is straight from the ref, no? So, hindi pa siya malambot. So, we're just softening it a little bit there. Lins, ikaw nga dito. Lina. Mapagod na siya mag-extra. Go. Wag na. Wag na. Para mas mabilis siya mag-melt. Yun. See? Mabilis. Kasi may resistance na yun. Sabi ko na nga ba ako rin gagawa eh. Hindi mo lang nangyayari sa'yo eh. O yan. O, tamo. O, ba't ka na dyan? Show ko to. Dali. O, diba? See? Soft. So, since basically, it's not really a brownie, I'm adding more water. That's already 3 tablespoons of water. Okay. See? Mas nag-melt yung butter agad. Kasi, if you are to bake brownies, it's a little bit thicker, but I'm just using the brownie mix. So, I'm not really making brownies in the oven. So, I'm just using the pan. More like, we want it to be like pancake texture. So, this is already the 4th, right? Yeah. So, 4th tablespoon. So, para madali, ma-scoop out. Yun. And 5. 6. Yeah. 7. 7. So, the box says 1 tablespoon and 1 egg. But what I did is I actually put 7 tablespoons of water and 2 eggs. 8. Para madali. 8. 9. 10. Okay. Ayun. Ito yung ganito natin. Consistency yun. Okay. We're ready. Just vegetable oil. And what we want is I'm just gonna coat it. So, I'll cook here more para sabay-sabay. Sabay-sabay ko siya gagawin. Basically, para kang gumagawa ng pancake. Pero, yun. See? So, needless to say, it needs to be a non-stick. There. See? Dito, ang bilis ano, sa kabilang mabagal. Kasi, mas palit yung fire ko dyan. Okay. So, here, tira mo, may isang bubble na siya. So, it's about time to flip it. Ayan. Just need chocolate sauce. And then this. Ito sa mga nag-request na gawan daw ng dessert. So basically, 3 small pan-grilled brownies. Chocolate syrup, if you wish. Tapos, you could put nuts. This one, I just put some crushed cornflakes kasi we have. And there is our pan-baked brownie with vanilla ice cream, topped with cornflakes.
Merong ice cream and pagsama-samahin natin lahat. Oh my God. Ito na po, guys. Perfect para sa bonding. At sa weekend. Ang sarap. Sarap.
Okay, let's try it out. Try out the ice cream with this brownie cake. It's good. Thank you.